Now we living good every day, no wahala. I stack the money up for my mama. Come on, baby, so you put with me about grandma.
No like it when you see babies to their way. Giant lawyer, cause see where she can get. Put them down in the she can get on chef. But don't you are with a baby, kill our shit, kill us up.
The word man is okunrin. So a man is okunrin. If you're talking about that man there, is okunrin, yeah. If you want to talk about multiple men, you say awon okunrin. So you just add awon in front of it. So one man is okunrin. Multiple men is awon okunrin. Woman is obìnrin. Some people say alábìnrin if you want to go real traditional, but obìnrin would be just fine. So if you're talking about me, I'm obìnrin. Rain is ojo. So if it's raining outside, you say ojo. Ojo is outside. I have to say the rest of it in English for now because you don't know the rest of it yet. So ojo is rain. Sun is orun. Not to be confused with orun, because orun means it smells. Or means it's sunny, or the sun's out, or just the sun in general. If you're introducing yourself to people, if you want to say something along the lines of I am or it was me, you say emini. So emini Tutu means I am Tutu. And if someone asks, oh, who took the last, you know, whatever out of the fridge, and you want to say it was me, you say emi. My name is, I feel like I also addressed this one in the last video, but I'm gonna put it in anyway. My name is Tutu, is Orukomi ni Tutu. If you want to say where is Iboni. So if I want to say where's the pastor, I would say Iboni pasta wa. So where is the pastor? You put where is the whatever you're looking for, and then you put y at the end. Y at the end just makes the sentence make sense, yeah? I don't understand is koyemi. So if you want to ask someone if they understand something, you say shoye. So right now I'm asking you guys shoye, meaning I'm asking you, do you understand what I'm saying? If you don't, just watch the video again and again. If you want to answer me back saying you don't understand, you say koyemi. And if you want to answer me saying you do understand, you say oyemi. So I don't understand koyemi. I do understand oyemi. School. The word school is ile iwe, meaning house of books. So ile iwe is school. So if you're going to school, you say mon lo si ile iwe, mon lo si ile iwe. Song is orin. So if you want to listen to a song, you say I'm listening to orin. Crowd is ero. So a crowd of people is ero. So if you want to say, for example, I went to somewhere and there was a huge crowd. So you say I went to somewhere and there was a huge ero. I said the rest of it in English because if I say it in Yoruba, you're not going to understand it just yet. That's what I'm going into today is neighbor. Neighbor is ara adugbo. So people around me. Your neighbors are awon ara adugbo. Ara adugbo. Ara adugbo. Thank you so much for tuning in. A very special thank you if you watched yesterday's one and then you're watching today's one. Please don't forget to share this video across all your social media platforms. It would really mean a lot to me. Please do leave a like, so give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If there's any particular words you want to see in the next video and that I haven't covered in this one, that you feel like goes into, like, you know, beginning to learn any language, please do let me know in the comment section just so I include it into my next video. I don't know what videos I'm bringing you next week yet, but there will definitely be 2 videos without fail, like no excuses. It's 2 videos a week now. So yeah, I feel like now's the right time to say odabo. If you don't know what that means, it means bye, but you should know what that means. If you watched yesterday's video, you would have mastered it. Catch me on my social media platforms, man. Tweet me, Snapchat me. People actually do Snapchat me. I'm like, hey, they're like, hi. I'm gonna put my Instagram back up one of these days. I just don't be feeling the gram. Like, I feel like there's too much image gang going on. I'm not into all of that stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna put my Instagram back up just so that you guys can, you know, connect with me, see what I'm doing. You know, I travel a lot, like a whole lot, and I feel like I don't even replacing them now. To subscribe, like I need the subscriptions, man. I need the subscriptions. So yeah, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.
See where she get put them down and then she get on chef. You see no like when you see babies to them with giant lawyer, go see where she get. Put them down in the she get on chef. Patori wa we the pepper kill a shake. Kill us up, they share me. Baba tie, baba can't they kill us up. Oh, she loves our house. short fuck up, please get no song. I fought you me. Show me in a way. Won't lead to my long. Amy, I'm alone. Cash cab with the